Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Jim in South Dakota on the Ranger RCI 99N2. Jim got it ready to go for you, bud. Tune alignment. Going to work out really well with the 307 built 100 amp supply you purchased from our website as well. Let's get right to it. RF power all the way down. 100 watt slug. Jim, we got it where it'll turn down to 5 watts for you. That way if you decide to run like a 6 pill or 8 pill, you have full adjustability. 40 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello. 100 watts in the corner. Let's go to the 250 watt slug in average. Hello. About 115 average. Peak power. Hello. 250 in the corner. Alright, Jim. We're going to get you fixed up, bud. Send it on out the door from your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.